Visit installation path. If a Windows program is programmed to ensure it is always installed to see program files or app name, and someone tries to install it to a different driver, to space or organizational reaction. It may fail to install or to run after installation. This problem may not be identified as the testing process. Since the average user install to the default driver and directory, and testing may not include the option of changing the installation directory. However, it is advisable for programmers and developers not to fix the installation part of a program, since the default installation path depends on the operating system, OS version, and sysadmin decision. For example, many installations of Microsoft Windows use Drive C as their primary hard disk, but this is not guaranteed. There was a similar issue with microprocessors in early computers, which stored its execution at a fixed address in memory. Startup disk. Some copy protect programs look for a particular file on a floppy disk or flash drive on startup to verify that they are not unauthorized copies. If the computer is replaced by a newer machine, which does have a floppy drive, the program that requires is now can be run, since the floppy disk can be inserted. This last example shows why hard coding may turn out to be impractical even when it seems at the time that it would work completely. The great majority of VGAs were fitted with at least one floppy drive, but floppy drives later fell out of use. A program had coded in that manner 15 years ago could face problem if not updated. Special folders. Some Windows operating systems have so-called special folders which organize files logically on the hard disk. There are problems that can arise involving hard coding. Profile path. Some Windows programs had coded the profile path to developer-defined location shoot as. This is the part for the vast majority of Windows, but this will cause an error if the profile is stored on a network or otherwise relocated. The proper way to get it is to call the get user profile directory function or to resolve in the user profile. Environment variable. Another assumption that developers often make is assuming that the profile is located on a local hard disk. My Documents folder path. Some Windows programs hardcode the path to My Document as profile path or My Document. This program wrote on machines running the English version. But on localist version of Windows, this folder normally has a different name. For example, in Italian version, the My Document folder is named Document. My Document may also have been relocated using folder redirection in group policy in Windows. The proper way to get it is to call the shyget folder path function. Solution. An indirect reference should as a variable inside the program called file name could be explained by accessing a browser profile dialog view window, and the program code would not have to be synced if the file moved. Hardcoding is especially problematic in preparing the software for translation to other languages. In many cases, a single hardcoded value, such as an array size, may appear several times within the source code of a program. This would be a magic number. This may commonly cause a program bug if some of the operations of the value are modified, but not all of them. Should a bug is hard to find and may remain in the program for a long time. A similar problem may occur if the same hot water value is used for more than one parameter value.